welcome back to my channel, Skating Builders. So, what we're gonna do today? We're gonna prepare something for our builds. And what's that? In order to build your battery, you need Spot Welder. This is amazing Spot Welder. You cannot find something better than that for the price tag. Let me show you. First, the quality. Here, look back. This is already prepared. You can buy assembled already, or no, you can simply assemble by yourself. The price is a little bit lower if you are feeling good with this. The name of this item is kWelt. So it's made in Germany. The support of this guy who built this, it's really amazing because I have a couple of emails exchanged because of some, let's say, configuration part. You can spot weld nickel with 0.3 even with this. You cannot imagine how powerful is spot welder. So I will share in the next video some spot welding part, and what we're gonna do, it's something important for the welding, this part. Yeah. So yesterday I print this for the spot welder. So I already prepared first part here. I think it's quite good. Doesn't fit well. So what you need to do, you need to take. Yeah. You need to drill a little bit the hole here. It really fit very well, so you cannot fit the spot welder part. So what you should do with this, I'll share actually the 3D printer file in the description of this video if you want to use it. But what you have to do, it's really simple part. You have to drill a little bit. By the way, this is 10 millimeters, so maybe you can use 11, but be careful. The idea is really not to go way out, it's just to stick inside very well. That's really the point. So I'll share with you how it's gonna look, but the idea is to use this as a handle, and then we can simply do the spot welding part. This here, right? And then you can see what's going on. So before starting, we need some coffee. Perfect. So what we should do right now, it's two things. You can take this isolation off, just like this, if you want to keep this part, right? Because maybe it's a good idea just to keep it. Perfect. Now, I think this is a good point. If you cut this out, don't worry. There is something what you can use with, you know, this kind of tube. You can simply put it like this. There isn't any problem with that. You can simply put one or two, depends really. I'll put one for now, just because I did here with two, because I already cut this part, but you shouldn't, right? Okay, so what we need to do else, we need to take those screws off. We have to take it off just to be able easily to stick inside. And because in the model, in the 3D model, those screws will be used for, you know, here, just to be able to stick very well. So we're gonna use this later. Okay, now we have to try to fit it in. It's very hard to do it. Okay, it seems after drilling a little bit, the whole idea, it should take a little bit harder. So this is very important, just to know. Yeah, as soon as you get to the right point, then what we should do, you have to put this part here, and then we can add the screws. Okay, we need to be careful, just like this. Okay, and the next one. I realized something that it's good to be done before sticking this here. So you have to take the pipe and put it on the right way, and then let's make it. Okay, just hold on for a second. Yeah, hold on for a second, and then everything will be fine. Okay, now it's ready. I think, yeah. One of the points as well, you can do something like this before, stick it inside, just to be easier, right? And then we can do the same thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, and the other as well. And finally, we're ready to go. Now let's see how it's looked like. I think it's quite okay. And now we have to check how it looks like on the battery. Okay, I have one battery here. Yeah, it's already used, but we can try that. It looks like very well. We need to test by doing some spot welding, so you're gonna see this in the next video. By the way, that's it for now. This is how you can simply mount your holder, just like this, and then you can use it very easily. Hop, just like this. It goes. Here it's getting really hot. Okay, let's see in the next video how we're gonna do the spot welding with the new holder. Guys, thanks for watching my video. So you're gonna see the next part, and the next part is how to spot weld with this spot welder. It's a really cool item. I would say that I strongly recommend you. I'll put the link below with all the information what I know, and also to some community where you can find more information about it. So expect a new video about our spot welding in order to see what you can do with this. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you want, you can subscribe to my new channel. I really appreciate your time. So see you in the next video.